Hi guys, this is Roger from Hitech Circuits in Shenzhen, China. We have specialized in PCB and PCB assembly manufacturing for over 15 years. We can also do PCB reverse. Today, I'd like to show you one example, this red LED board, which is used for automobile brake systems. It is from PCB reverse engineering. It is a two-layer board. The raw material is FR4 T135, and its surface finishment is hassle lead-free, and its copper thickness is 2 ounces. Finished thickness is 1.6 millimeters. By the way, you can see many LEDs on it. We placed all the components. We always provide reliable manufacturing service for our customers with competitive price, excellent quality, and a short lead time. If you have any PCB needs, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you. See you next time.